Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to use the archiver. The archiver is a product that we created to help hide contacts that you don't want to see any longer, whether they've passed away or you're just not using them or what have you. You can archive them instead of deleting them, because sometimes you may need to bring back their history or notes or what have you and be able to view that information, and if you delete them then they're gone. But in this way we just conceal them and hide them, and away you go. So we're going to shift over to the other screen and show you how to do this. All right, here we are. All right, so once the archiver is installed on your machine, you'll see two new icons, a little banker's box here, and then kind of a double screen here that you can shift screens. And so the banker box is what you use to archive a contact. Now you can archive a single contact, or you can archive multiple contacts, depending upon what you're doing. All right, let's show you how to do that. First of all, you can take a contact record. Now, it won't archive a user record, so you'll have to archive individual records. So if I just scroll to the left or right here, we'll just grab somebody that's not... Okay, let's take this one here, Tilly Stark, and we're just going to click on the banker's box. It's going to say, would you like to archive this contact? You go, yes. And you'll notice it'll go from 201 records down to 200 records. Now they're still in the database, you just can't see them. Now in order to see the archived ones, you can click on this screen. It will change to what they call the archive view, and you'll be able to see the ones that have been archived. If you want to bring them back, like Tilly here, we'll just click on the banker's box again, and it'll say unarchived contact. And it'll take it out of the archive one and put it back into the main one. So this screen flips back and forth between the archive view and the normal view, and everything would be hidden. So now if you want to archive multiple contacts, you can just choose separate ones by holding down the control key and selecting the ones from the list view, or highlighting a bunch. You choose how you want to select them, but you can, I'll just grab a few here. Press archive, and it said, would you like to archive the selected contacts? Yep. And you'll see we're down to 197, and if we click over to the archive view, they're stuck in there now. And we'll flip back. Now, you can also do this from companies. So if we click on the companies view, now I should mention you can't archive at this point in time to archive companies. You can only archive contacts at this point. But let's go over to one of these ones. Here's one here. And let's just say that Drew is no longer with the company. I can click on there, click on the banker's box, and archive Drew. And now Drew is not in the company record. He's been archived as well and hidden behind the scenes. So as you can see, it's really quite simple. You've got two buttons. Let's go back to the contact record. You've got two buttons. One is the archive button, and the other is the archive view screen. And you can flip back and forth between them. And then to archive somebody, just select them, click the archive button or multiple contacts, and archive them. It's a real simple program. So once it's installed, it's very simple to use. You just choose who you want to archive or unarchive, depending upon what screen or view you're in, and that's all there is to it. Hopefully this has been some help to you. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team at support@corelogix.ca, and they'd be happy to help you with any questions or concerns you may have with regards to setting this up and using it. Thank you, and hope you have an awesome day. All the best. We'll talk to you on the next one.